To hide music info on always on display when the theater mode is on in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode screen, tap theater, tap change settings, and then tap always on display. Now tap the blue on option next to show music information to disable this option. When the switch turns gray, it means that this option is disabled. Tap done button and then tap done button again to save watching. By doing this, now when the theater mode is active and you are playing music, your phone will not show music information on the always on display screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.